So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can transfer the ownership of a server that you own on Discord to someone else. Like if maybe if you are disabling your account, or if it may be a different reason for transferring the ownership to someone else. So it's a very easy process to transfer the ownership of a server that you have been created or you have been owning to someone else. So you can do the same process on the smartphone application of Discord, as well as you can do the same process on the PC application or the web version of Discord also. So all you need to do is to just simply open the Discord software on your PC. Like if I open this on my Windows PC, now this is the home page. You all have been familiar with this. Now you have to open the server that you have want to transfer to someone else. For example, on the left you're going to see all the server that you have been joined in. For example, if I open this server, now this is the server that I have been created and I am the owner of this. Now to transfer the ownership, first of all you have to click on the option of the you have to click on the name of the server over the top. You can see it's just right there. When you click there, you're going to see the option of server settings. Just simply click there. Now you're in the settings of the server. Here on the left window you need to scroll down until you find an option of members. You can see it's just right there. Just simply click on the button of members. Now here all the members that have been joined to this server are going to be there. Now this sign indicates that that this person, which means I'm the owner of the server. Now if I want to transfer this ownership to someone else, for example, if I want to transfer the ownership to this person, I just need to simply click on the three dots over there, and here you're gonna see the option of transfer ownership. When you click there, it says it will ask a confirmation, and if you enable this and hit transfer ownership, the ownership has been transferred to that particular person, and you can easily delete your account or do something else if you want. So by this method you can easily transfer the ownership to someone else. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.